Hello, judges of the beautiful! If you are watching this video, you are not indifferent to the world of Atrea. Just right now, we want to present to you a unique product, Octopus Aion. But first, let's get in touch. We're a development team that has been playing Aion since 2011. During this time, we managed the game with all kinds of exploits and bugs. We created dozens of projects related to facilitating the gameplay. Also, we were the administration of successful private server, so had been on both sides of the barricade. We are ready to share our experience with you. Octopus has a lot of options. They are divided into 5 categories: functions, miscellaneous, teleports, radar, and settings. You could bind hotkeys and necessary values however you want. After the first individual setting, all your preferences will remain the same. Let's tell all in order. Functions. No gravity allows you to walk on air. In this state you will also be able to use skills without interruption. Flicker discards the target from your character and makes him invulnerable until the first action, as if you had just entered the game. Teleport to the house. Instantly teleports your character to a house or apartment, of course if you have one. Teleport to the last point. Instantly returns your character to the point from where you teleported to the house or entered the dungeon. Anti-hide allows you to see targets that are in a basic or advanced stealth. This feature, including admins, will also display game masters. Safety target. Disable you from choosing invisible targets unless you'll use the required skill active. Increase attack range. Increases the attack and skills radius of melee classes to 2 meters. Enemy race chat. Decrypts enemy chat messages. Find player. Shows the exact location of the player on the map. Target info. Shows information about your target, name, health, and mana. If the target is a player, his level will also be displayed. By moving the sliders for the run speed, attack speed, and glide speed, you can change the values of the character as a percentage. Miscellaneous. Glides everywhere. Allows you to glide where it is forbidden by default, for example, in the fortresses of the Abyss. The function must be activated before entering the instance. Unlock General Shop. Allows you to use generals, officers, legions shops without tying. Console. Allows you to use the developer's console, a list of available comments, there is a description of the video. Radar. Client option that will display the number of objects and players within a 100 meters radius. Chat logs. Activate standard logging. All chats will be recorded in the root of the game folder in the chat.log file. Unlock FPS. Disable standard 60 frames limit. Piercing camera. Allows you to control the camera through the textures. Anti-AFK. You will no longer be kicked out of the game after being idle for more than 60 minutes. Radar 360. Increases the display range of all objects on the minimap to 360 degrees. Weapon swap speed allows you to change standard delay when you switch in your weapons. Camera distance allows you to set maximum distance of the camera to your character. Field of view allows you to adjust the apparent viewing angle that is comfortable for your monitor. World time allows you to set time of the day on the client side. Teleports. Teleport up, down, forward. Teleports characters by a specified amount of meters. 2 different values could be used simultaneously. Instant flight teleport. With this option, you will be instantly teleported instead annoying and lone flying between locations. For using this function, you need to unpack the fly.zip archive into the game folder. Radar. We have 2D and 3D radar in our app. In order to display objects on the radar, you need to choose the necessary tab, display players, NPC, resources, or GM, and also set different colors for them. If you want to use 3D radar, you need to activate at least one of the criteria. You could also use optional filters. You could set up to 6 different objects to be the colors on the radar. Filters work on top of already displayed objects. For example, if you use Option to display of resources and the filter for necessary resources specified, it will be displayed in the color of the filter. You could change the language and set a few extra functions in the Settings category. If you forgot what any option does, turn on Hints, and when you hover over the name of any function, you will get info about it. Safety automatically disables no gravity, run speed, attack speed, and flight speed if some players would be near your character. Hardware spoofer. Every enter in the game, the program will hide the serial numbers of your hardware. Next option allows you to set hotkey for showing or hiding the main window of Octopus Aion. By the way, you could move to the radar and target info panel only when main menu of Octopus is opened. A bit lower in the same category, you could see info about your subscription and links on our info resources. Here we come to the end of a review of our product. We are pretty sure you have seen something interesting and you are ready to use it in battle. And if you have any questions or suggestions, contact us. See you in the game, Daevas!